All right, so let's look at one of the ways that we can import data into Power BI desktop. So we have series of ways that we can actually import data into Power BI desktop. But in today's video, we just gonna be speaking about just one of them. Okay, so we're gonna look at one of the ways that we can import data into Power BI desktop. So let me show you the data that I want to import into Power BI desktop. So I have my data here on Excel. All right. So this is the data that I want to ship into Power BI desktop. All right. So let me go back to my Power BI desktop. So I'm going to click on get data from other sources. All right. So it's going to give me this. All right. So this is the overview of Power BI desktop. All right. So I want to use this. Okay. I want to use this method to import, want to use this method to import data into Power BI. All right. So with this copy and paste method. All right. So what I'm going to do is that I'll go back to Excel where I'm having the data. All right. To copy it. So I'm going to copy all the data from here. Then I'll go back to Power BI desktop. So I'll click on this. All right. So let me first of all give a name to the table that I want to put this data into, because I'm creating a new table. So I have to give it a name. So sales data. All right. So source data. All right. So now I'll come back here to paste, Control V. All right. To paste the data. Okay. So we have the data here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to load this data. Now if this data is very clean data, which you don't need to clean it, then you just have to load directly. So in my case, this data is okay for me. So I'm just going to load this data. All right. So I'll load this data. I'll click on load. So let's wait for it to appear here. So as you can see, the data is loading. So let's just continue waiting for it to load. All right. So we have successfully uploaded or imported 96 rows of data. All right, so let's wait for this aspect to show up. So basically, this one of the ways that you can import data into Power BI. So our data is here now. We have the data here. Okay, so this is one of the ways that you can import data into Power BI. Thank you. See you. Bye.